Okay. In this lesson, we are going to see how is the acetyl-CoA required for the synthesis of fatty acids transported from the mitochondrion to the cytoplasm. As you know, the fatty acids are made using acetyl coenzyme A as the building block. And this process of fatty acid synthesis is taking place in the cytoplasm, while the building block acetyl-CoA is formed inside the mitochondrial matrix. Therefore, acetyl coenzyme A, as you see in this figure, should be transported from the mitochondrial matrix into the cytoplasm. And there is no transport system for transporting acetyl coenzyme A. Instead, you know that acetyl coenzyme A is converted into citrate. That is the first reaction of Krebs cycle. So in that reaction, acetyl coenzyme A combines with oxaloacetate and citrate is formed. That citrate is transported across the membranes of the mitochondrion into the cytoplasm. And here the citrate is converted back into oxaloacetate and acetyl coenzyme A is generated. This acetyl coenzyme A is used for the synthesis of fatty acid. Then you may have a question. There may be shortage of Krebs cycle materials in the mitochondrial matrix. This problem is solved by the transportation of oxaloacetate, which is then converted into pyruvate and pyruvate into mitochondrial matrix. So this acetyl coenzyme A, when generated, is associated with the formation of oxaloacetate. This oxaloacetate is converted into pyruvate. It is not shown here, and this pyruvate is transported into the mitochondrial matrix. And that pyruvate in turn will give rise to acetyl coenzyme A, and it will again give rise to citrate, and citrate is transported into the cytoplasm. There in that process it is generating acetyl coenzyme A in the cytoplasm, oxaloacetate is formed, and this process is cyclically taking place so that continuously fatty acids can be made if there is an excess supply of acetyl coenzyme A.